So top 3 upgrades to do before selling your home. If it's time to sell your home, then you've probably wondered what you need to do to prepare your house for the selling process. Repairs and upgrades are often the biggest cost of selling a home. Even the best kept space can suffer from daily wear and tear over time. So chances are that you now have to decide what is worth repairing and upgrading versus how much potential there is for selling a home as is. The good news is that you don't have to repair and upgrade every part of your home before listing it. Many buyers today are comfortable purchasing spaces that only require minor cosmetic work after moving in. So you don't have to work at creating the perfect interior or perfect exterior before your home goes on the market. Instead, focusing on making any necessary repairs such as fixing leaky faucets or addressing any structural issues. Then take a look at which upgrades could help increase your home's value, such as fresh paint or new flooring. By taking care of the essentials and choosing strategic upgrades, you can help ensure that your home sells quickly and for top dollar. So before you commit to any repairs or upgrades, it's important to know what else is selling in your area right now. An easy way to do this is to work with an agent and tour virtually on other homes for sale near yours. By studying the condition and amenities in these houses, you'll have a better idea of what your home is competing with. For example, if you visit homes recently upgraded kitchens, you'll know that your older kitchen needs some work to compete with other properties on the market. This evaluation will help you start to determine which improvements will generate a return on your investment. So one of the first things I like to look at is painting. Painting is one of the lowest cost in home improvement projects with the highest rate of return. So it's no surprise that 36% of homeowners choose to do it. According to Zillow's Director of Economic Research, that is. A fresh coat of neutral paint can give an entire house a facelift, and buyers love to see a blank canvas. Consider getting color recommendations from trained professionals since paint colors can be tricky depending on the lighting and other features in the house, such as cabinets and flooring. If you're looking for a safe color, gray or white has been trending in the recent years. Painting is a great way to increase your home's value without breaking the bank. So if you're thinking about selling in the near future, consider giving your place a fresh coat of paint. The next thing is landscaping or curb appeal. The first thing a buyer sees when they pull up to your home is the exterior. You want to make sure that it looks its best so that they have a positive first impression. This means removing any dead plants, trimming any overgrowth, making sure the lawn is green and fresh. That's if you have grass. You can do this by planting more succulents, more evergreen bushes and all that stuff. That way you'll make your house feel much more inviting and appealing to buyers. The good thing is we're in the desert, so landscaping is really not a big deal here. If you're looking to make a home improvement that will pay off in terms of resale value, focus on your floors. 20% of homeowners make either repairs or replacement on their flooring. According to Zillow, and it is easy to see why, new floors can completely transform the look and feel of a space, and wood floors are especially popular with today's buyers. Even if you can't afford real wood, there are plenty of high quality laminate options that will give your home an updated look. If you do go with carpeting, be sure to choose a neutral color that will appeal to a wide range of buyers. Whatever route you choose, new flooring is a great way to add value to your home. So before you get carried away, make sure the smaller cosmetic adjustments are addressed. Spend some time looking at your home's basic needs. All the big things in working order. Buyers have certain expectations, and that includes getting a house that has been well maintained and is safe, livable. In other words, if you're contemplating a kitchen remodel, but your roof is leaking, you need to address the roof issues first before before indulging in any upgrades. Also, while you're trucking on your repair and improve bandwagon, avoid taking on costly projects that have a personal appeal. Instead, focus your effort on fixing up what's there and what's making it shine. Most buyers are looking for a move-in ready home, not a fixer-upper. By repairing any existing damages and giving your home a fresh coat of paint, you'll be well on your way to impressing potential buyers and fetching top dollar for your house. So I'm Dallas Tung with KW Luxury, and I'm here to help you with your housing needs here in Las Vegas. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe to my channel for more real estate tips and tricks here in Las Vegas.